Good day and welcome to SCO BRICS Insight. We talk about what's really going on in the world of the BRICS. Now today I want to talk about a very strange situation that's taken place in Russia. It's a situation with gold which is kind of crazy. While the price of gold in dollars is reaching unprecedented heights on the global market, the price in rubles experience a decline. In Russia, the price of gold has decreased from 9,000 rubles to less than 8,000 rubles per gram. So what's driving these factors behind this disparity, and what conditions would lead to a rise in gold prices in both rubles and in dollars? Well, the price of gold has repeatedly set new records on the world market this year, reaching $3,050 per ounce this week. Conversely, gold in rubles has been going into a decline, falling from a peak of 9,000 rubles per gram of 999th finesse to the current price of 8,000 rubles. So why is gold historically expensive in dollars on the world market and Russia getting cheaper in rubles? Well, this unusual situation has arisen due to the major strengthening of the ruble. This week the dollar may even fall below 80 rubles per dollar. Now, the growth of gold in dollars does not offset the ruble strengthening, according to Igor Vazovsky. Now, before I continue, I'd like to make an appeal. If you like and enjoy my videos, you can help me fund the channel and my website, SCOBRICSinsight.com, to further develop them. You can do this by making a small donation, which you can do by clicking on the thanks button at the bottom of the video screen. Everybody who donates does get a personal thank you from me, and I'm thanking you all now for watching this. Now, in his opinion, the present environment presents a favourable opportunity for investors in Russia to enter the gold market, as he doesn't anticipate a sustained strengthening of the ruble in the long term. In fact, he anticipates a serious decline back to the 95 to 100 ruble level by the end of May. Consequently, Vazovsky maintains the forecast for the ruble price, anticipating gold to reach 10,000 rubles of 990 asset value. So you could be looking at a 20% gain in the short term just by buying gold just now. In Russia, the industry has received a significant milestone in terms of turnover, product range diversity, market access for new participants, market, refineries, etc., and innovative trading methods. Numerous innovation and best practices have been introduced to the Russian gold market. The industry has been very active. Now, and according to VTB and the central bank, over 100 tons of gold were sold to the retail market in 2024. In the global market, gold's maintaining its dominance, and analysts expect further growth. Major banks have been revising their forecast for US dollars prices in gold upwards. Macquarie anticipates 3,500, UBS and Citi both forecast 3,200, and Goldman Sachs has 3,100. The average forecast indicates a potential price of 3,500 in the summer. Gold's outperforming all its previous forecasts from last year and the year before, because banks have actually not had time to update their forecast that it's been going up so much. Lower rates are obviously in Russia are going to encourage investors to locate more capital gold exchange funds, bars and coins, which in turn will continue to support the gold prices, according to Ivanov. However, a pessimistic scenario is also possible. Yeah, there's also some of them. So it's impossible to rule out a correction on the market given its prices deviating from its average value. According to Nikolai Dachenko, he says that it could go down to 2,500 per troy ounce. Now, personally, I think Dachenko is talking through his rectum, as I don't see gold moving away from its upward trajectory. The gold market has experienced significant growth for a number of reasons. First, there's the geopolitical risk due to the US launching military operations in Yemen, Israel's continuing its operations in Gaza, the Ukraine situation. Gold's role as a protective asset and a safe haven in times of turmoil is a key factor in this one. Plus, Trump and his tariffs is not exactly keeping people calm. Dachenko points to the declining value of the US dollar, but the traditional relationship between the dollar rate and the price of gold is actually now not the same as it has been. mean, this year's seen a continuation of the divergence between the gold and the prices, where it used to be the dollar goes up and gold goes down. Now, the other reason, the market fears the recession against the backdrop of Trump's protectionist measures, this tariff wars, which also attracts market participants. Now, the rise in gold prices is mainly not just due to political tension, but the favourable inflation figures in the US, with the US Producer Price Index falling below analysts' forecasts, which will allow the Fed, US Fed, to reduce rates. And if they reduce rates and ease monetary policy, then a rate cut is beneficial for gold prices, given the direct correlation between the cost of capital and the price of gold. I mean, even if there is an anticipation of a decline in the cost of capital, that's still going to push a favourable influence on the price of gold. So I don't think that $3,500 per ounce by the end of the summer is an unattainable goal. I mean, it's looking at the current geopolitical climate in Ukraine doesn't actually significantly advance the price of gold, with the premiums being determined about that. However, a should a long-term agreement on Ukraine be signed, the political premium will be there, but then we're not looking at a particular decline because central banks keep buying more. It's the fiat currencies that are the problem, and that's what's also was going to make sure that gold prices remain high. And of course, you've got the BRICS factor. If BRICS do decide to do something as far as currencies and gold marketing is concerned, then we're likely to see something with that. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I hope this has been useful. Please like and subscribe, and please share, and if you want to help me out, click on the thanks button to make a donation, and I'll see you all again soon. Thank you.